back for the next class for recurrence relation for Bessel function. Previous classes we have seen two types of recurrence relation. Among that, the today which we are going to deal the recurrence relation, we are going to use the first recurrence relation to show third recurrence relation. Where the third recurrence relation j n dash of x, which is equals to j n minus 1 of x minus n by x j n of x. This we have to prove. The first Bessel function of a recurrence relation, which we have seen in the first class of recurrence relation, that is d by dx of x to the power of n, j n of x is equals to x to the power of n j n plus 1 of x. With the help of that one, we can show. Right, or this one, the same recurrence relation they may ask in this way also: x into j n dash of x, that is equals to minus n into j n of x, then plus x into j n minus 1 of x. Right, so now by well known recurrence relation we will write. We are not going to assign any number, but you have to use the part 1. I will share the link of the part 1 in the description. So by well known recurrence relation, we know that d by dx of x to the power of n into j n of x, which is equals to x to the power of n into j n minus 1 of x. Now what we are going to do, this side on LHS side, we will differentiate with respect to x. Outside you see what it is there, d by dx of x to the power of n into j n of x. For proving this recurrence relation, we have utilized the Bessel function definition of a first kind, but here directly we will use for proving this recurrence relation. So uv you have to use. What is the uv formula? Uv of whole dash, that is equals to u dash into v plus u into v dash. So we will take this is equals to u and this is equals to v. Apply that one. What we are going to get, n into x to the power of n minus 1 into j n of x, then plus x to the power of n into j n of x, j n dash of x, which is equals to x to the power of n into j n minus 1 of x. Now what we are going to do, we will divide on both the side with x to the power of n, because here you see what we have to prove here, x into j n dash of x we need. So uh, we will dividing dividing both the side, both spelling also full and right, both the side by x to the power of n. So n into x to the power of n minus 1 by x to the power of n into j n of x, then plus x to the power of n by x to the power of n, jn dash of x, which is equals to x to the power of n by x to the power of n into j n minus 1 of x. Now you see this we can strike out, and this also we can strike out. So now I'll write the second term first. Jn dash of x then plus n into x to the power of n into x to the power of minus 1 divide by x to the power of n into jn of x, which is equals to jn minus 1 of x. So again this term will get cancelled. So x to the power of minus n, you can write it into the denominator to make that power as positive. Jn dash of x plus n by x j n of x, which is equals to j n minus 1 of x. Now multiply this x on both the sides. For first one, what it is there, the first one you see, jn dash of x is equals to jn minus 1 of x minus n by x into jn of x. So what we'll do, we will shift this term on this side. So the first one we will get jn dash of x, which is equals to jn minus 1 of x minus n by x n by x into j n of x. Hence proof what they have asked of the first one. If you are going to arrange it, we are going to get the second one. If you are going to multiply with x on both the sides, we'll get the second one. The or which we have given, that will be x into jn dash of x, that is equals to x into jn minus 1 of x minus n into j n of x. Hence proved what they have asked you to prove. This is the simplest one. In the textbook it is a complicated one. See that one also. Which you feel it is the easiest one, follow this one. If you like my way of calculation and my way of presentation, then please give the thumbs up and share among with your friends. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. Good night.